So that's the new bar setup. It's a Nito Pearl 10, and these are noodle handlebars. I think 46s, not sure. First things first. Let's kind of check our chain line and stuff here for a sec, huh? See if this is going to work. You can see I cut the fender here. Maybe you can't because you're so far away, but to get the old derailleur to work. Seems like this new one's going to work just fine though. Okay, I got a SRAM PC1051 chain. Oh, I wonder if I'm going to run into problems with these chain rings and the skinny chain. We might have to back this whole plan up. I might be stuck with 9-speed. Not the end of the world, just isn't my theory. Oh, dropped a quick link. Dropped the other one. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Let's see what happens. You know, there's so many compatibility issues to remember. It's just hard to get them all right. All right, I'm gonna take a risk here too. I'm gonna go one length shorter than I'm comfortable with. But I think with a 42 max and a 32 max, I'll be all right. I didn't look up the capacity of this derailleur, but that's what it depends on. Functioning. All right, so none of that's tight, but it allows us to crank. I think we need to hook up shifters, don't we? You know, the thing is, I did all that work to the crank first, and I should have waited till the end. Kind of doing everything backwards. I didn't really think through the plan. Not like I ever really do. So, as we remember from before, it's reverse thread. Ooh. Just kind of guessing on the angle here. Oh, turned. I remember really struggling with these last time too. Oh, that's the wrong one. Yeah, that's the... I guess it goes on this side. Okie doke. So, that goes like that. And then this one. And then that. And these. I'll have to check the other one. It's still in its original packaging. Come on, lefty. Oh, what'd I drop? There we go. Oh, had it. Bless it. Oh, I'm gonna need to get a grunt and open a grunt. I could kill for a Mountain Dew right about now. That doesn't seem right. I see. Okay. Oh, you just stay put there. Unbelievable. Oh, God. I just have so much more I'd rather be doing than messing around with dexterity issues right now. And that's all this is. Gotta have the fancy shifters. Oh my God. I have no idea what took me so long to get that right. There's a little plastic washer in there that has a little recess, and when I did it the first time, I kind of smushed the plastic in the wrong spot of the recess and messed it all up. But now I got it. Ugh. Okay. You can't tell from your end of things, but this has taken me all day. I've been kind of at it, on and off. I've been taking naps. All I want is a cup of coffee. I know, I'm a crybaby. Oh, dropped a cable. The brain fog is very real. But anyway, I've been interrupted a couple times by customers, which is fine because in both cases I sold a bike and got some trade-ins. Nothing super interesting for bike farmer videos, but that's okay. Those will come. So why go with these super fancy shifters? Because they make that noise. I think Rivendell bought the patents, the expired patents, or ended up with the expired patents from Suntour. So these are the same as the Suntour power ratchets from back in the day. It's just really good haptics. I like how they feel. Then I got this fancy housing from a previous build that I found in the bins, and it's just got that old school feel. So I'm gonna showcase it. We're gonna go old school and have it kind of loop out like that. But I gotta figure out just exactly what size, because that's part of the problem here that we're solving. So on its previous build, I was using this bike as my touring bike, and I wanted my rando bag, so I had my rack and everything, and then I would run the housing all the way up here and down to create space for my handlebar bag. But I'm not gonna put a rack on it anymore. This is just gonna be my go fast gravel. Day trips. And I can use the frame pack for just about everything I need. Okay, now that is way too long. So, I think the housing looks cool and old school, and just, you want to have enough flexibility, but you don't want it flopping all over the place either. So I think right about there is about right. Just gonna grease the cables where they go through the frame. Grab our cable, pull her tight. All right, we're gonna back the high limit screw off the front derailleur here. Actually, we're gonna turn in the low limit too. Okay, it overshifted, but hey, it shifted. All right. Should have a pedal on it too, but it feels funny pedaling it without the weight. All right, so this, we're gonna back this limit out a little bit. I think that's right. Maybe it's this one. All right, so there's granny gear, and we're rubbing in the front. I'm gonna let a little out. No more rubbing. That's a super low gear. I'm into it. That is some big cog energy right there. Woo! All right, that's big and big. That's about all it'll take. You know, you never really want to be in that anyway. It's pretty, God, that's an insane chain line. So I am gonna put in a shorter bottom bracket because I got plenty of room, and it'll just be better for everyone if I do that. And that's just fine. Hey, I think the drivetrain's gonna work. So we just do the bottom bracket. Papa don't preach. Let's keep this baby. Gonna keep my baby on. Well, I just didn't feel like I put it on that tight. Oh, a loud noise. All right, fine. Oh, that is also loud noises. Crap. Got her loose. All right, pardon my reach. Whew, there's some rust in there. Well, we might end up, I can't put this on yet. I have to finish screwing the chain rings on. So theoretically, the spacing should be just fine here. There. So both limits need to go in. Well, not that much. Not both limits. Top limit needs to go in, bottom limit needs to come out. But it ends up being just exactly perfect. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's okay. All right, I got the Park Tool EP1 here. It's the extra pretentious one. And pliers, one. Okay, throw some brake cables in here. Easier said than done. I can't see the hole. Oh, there we go. Oh, I haven't figured out where I want these. I should have marked the old levers. This is something. I know I want them up. I don't know a real good way to measure. Eyeball it. All right, there's a little sleeve here between the cable stops. Gratuitous ding. Makes for good content. All right, so this guy I know needs to be cut. I had these very fancy, over-the-top Diacomp cable hangers. And I just kind of have a whole bunch of them, so I thought I'd use them on this bike. Why not? I mean, maybe we'll find out why not. I don't really ever use these things. There we go. So we don't really even need a proper straddle cable here, so I just have some old cables. Right, because you can flip that open and that opens the brakes, theoretically, but not really. Oh, gotta tighten it. Alright, bring a little tension over to this side. Okay, everything's straight. I guess we got to get after those pads a little bit. I think it's really hard for you to see this around that gigantic bulbous fender, but we'll see it on the front for sure. These pads are amazingly aligned pretty well considering they've never been on this bike. They're very close, like probably close enough, honestly. little low. This could take a while. This feels like a tough one. This pad is like loose. The pad holder. Oh, I just cracked my paint. Man, just did it again. God, 2 big chips. All right, one more tweak here. Okay, well, you guys wouldn't know it, but it's the next day for me. And I'm just coming down here to look at this thing, and it is absolutely beautiful. I just took it for a little spin around the block to check the fit. This stem, well, I can kind of show you. So this stem is longer than the old one, right? You can see. It's, what is that? Is that even an inch longer? Here, we can measure them here. So that's a 110. All right, yeah, so it's 20 millimeters longer, which is more than I should have done, because I can feel it. Now, the way I had it set up is this was down lower by quite a bit, and as it comes up, it kind of comes back towards you. But anyway, I feel like I'm stretched out a little bit, which is to be expected. It's only an inch. It's even less than an inch, but it makes a difference. I think it's caused me to kind of angle these up. Now, every brake lever is a little different too, but it just kind of looks a little goofy. Basically what I'm saying is I'm slightly dissatisfied with the whole thing, but it felt okay, and it should feel perfect for a bike like this, and it doesn't, so I'm a little grumpy. But I'm also just grumpy because of the caffeine thing. I'm not feeling any better today. It's just not good. I'm telling you, bad idea. Don't do it. Just keep drinking coffee, everybody. But I also have this seat all angled up, you know? I mean, some people would say that's because the bike doesn't fit right, but I don't know. I mean, I've literally spent, you know, over a week on tour living on this bike, and it was fine, so kiss my ass. I think what I'm gonna do is compensate here. Oh, dropped my wrench. So I got plenty of rail here on the saddle. So I'm gonna go forward and down a smidge, one scooch. Yeah, it's also super cold out today. You know, we were 70 degrees the other day, and it's 25 right now. It's just cold, too cold to be riding around on a bike. It's really good. Beautiful. Oh, that's right. That's what that's for. It's for the chain. So the chain don't rub. that's a fun noise. Oh, it's not quite where we want it. I also don't think I like these brake pads a whole lot. You know, they're a little creaky. They're not stopping real good. Oh, dropped a bolt. These TA bottle cages are the best for this bike, but they weigh like 4,000 pounds. I found some brake pads here that I think maybe will clear the fork blades and also the seat stays. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try it here. Does it have a left and a right? You know, of course they do. Okay, I think these are better. They're super light. I feel like I spent half the afternoon yesterday getting these pads right, but I don't like them. You know, that's way better. Actually, it's way more better, hey. I'm telling you, I've got serious brain fog. I'm really hoping this video works as like ASMR super chill, because I'm just not myself these days. I'll be back. I'll start drinking coffee again for good content. Been doing hot water with lemon in the morning with a little bit of honey. I used to do that before the cup of coffee, which is actually probably the magic formula, to just have some lemon water for an hour or so before getting after the coffee. But anyway, lemon water with honey is really good. It's kind of like refreshing in a weird way. This gives you a better view of it anyway. I mean, it's really good. I should just leave it. Oh, it moved. Well, I had it pretty good. I just had it flipped upside down. This gives you a better view of it anyway. I mean, it's really good. I should just leave it. Oh, it moved. That's about the exact same position as the other side. God, these really, cantilever brakes really are tricky, aren't they? But once you get them set up, oh, don't show the wives, boys. They will leave you. For me. Oh, Marcy Donnet. Or was it Margie? She was really into this. This guy's gotta be up a smidge. A little too much. It's really good. This brake setup has its issues. It's the brake tension. I've got this maxed out and it's still pulling a little more from the left side. Maybe I just need to, yeah, I think I gotta move this pad a little bit. Things aren't just exactly perfectly aligned. Oh, I got my tripod on an uneven surface too. Pretty good. Good enough for me. All right, so this is Gripper, the reusable handlebar tape. That's the right color. And it's good graphics. So we're gonna see how it goes. Alright, well, just start wrapping, I suppose. Oh, it's got two sides. Oh, okay, so it's a little, it's like rubbery, grippy on one side instead of sticky. And it seems extra long. Okay, never mind. I have to tape the derailleur cables in place. I don't like this. I like the color though. Take two. Might live to regret that. Now in true Rivendell, if you really are into it, you use hemp twine and shellac to finish your tape. But that seems a little excessive to a guy like me. So I use electrical tape. Magic. That's it, folks. Thank you for sticking with it until the end with this very chill, brainless, calming, relaxing video. I have been wanting to do this little facelift upgrade to this bike for a while. I hope in about a month, about 3 weeks, I think, is the Derry-Roubaix ride. And I hope to get out on it. Maybe I'll try to figure something else out in the meantime. I feel like I've been doing a lot of bike fixing videos lately. I'd like to do more bike riding videos. That's primarily because the weather here sucks. Yeah. I should have brought a bike to Palm Springs when I went, but I didn't. So I went golfing instead. Anyway, folks, thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope when I return, I'll have some energy. This is getting ridiculous. I'm about to throw in the towel. I know you're all rooting for me out there, but man, what a bike. It's just such a pleasure to have this thing and to work on it and ride it and have you all watching. Support the channel any way you can, the newest, bestest way. I don't know if it's the best way, but you can buy some merch. Go to bikefarmer.com and things are live there with all kinds of cool, t-shirts and stuff. But you can just do it right here in YouTube too. Just click that super thanks button, send me some taco money, join the channel, become a sustaining monthly member. A monthly sustaining member. I don't know how you say that anymore. Now that I don't have caffeine in my brain, I can't say anything, hardly. Man. Oh, for yourself, just click that notification bell so you and your bikes can stay tuned.